India's pharmaceutical industry is closely watching the United States after a fresh announcement of tariffs on imported medicines. The US has said it will impose a 100% tariff on branded and patented drugs starting October this year. The goal is to push foreign drug makers to set up factories in America. But for India, the impact may not be as large as it sounds. That's because almost all of India's exports to the US are low-cost generics. These are the non-branded medicines that millions of patients rely on every day, from antibiotics to drugs for cancers and chronic diseases. Now, industry groups point out that India supplies nearly half of America's generic drug needs. Branded and patented medicines, the category covered under the tariff, make up only a tiny share of Indian exports, about 1 to 3%. Officials also say most large Indian companies already have factories or packaging units in the US, or they are also building new ones. This means many exporters are likely to be exempted from the tariffs under the current announcements. At the same time, experts warn that the fine print needs careful attention. If the US later decides to expand the tariff to include generics or more complex medicines, it could deal a serious blow to India's $27 billion export industry. In case the tariffs are slapped, the American patients may face rising costs of branded medicines, adding pressure on their health system as well. Looking ahead, analysts say India must continue to keep its edge in bulk drug production while moving into newer areas like complex generics, biosimilars, peptides, and advanced therapies such as CAR-T or CAR therapy. Generics will stay important, but growth will depend on building strength in these next generation drugs. In short, India's pharma industry is safe for now, but it knows it cannot stand still. The tariff move is a reminder that global trade policies can shift quickly and long term. Success will come from staying competitive, cost efficient, and future ready.
Been fighting so long and so hard that they don't know what the they're doing.